Hello. In our this today's video, we discuss the example on first order partial derivative. Here we discuss the two different example. First is f of x comma y which is equal to x square y plus sine is in bracket x plus y. And the second one is a f of x comma y which is equal to log of x plus cos y. See, the first one is we have to write down our first example. We have write down that equation. We represent it is by the equation number 1. So we have to first of all, so first when we have to write down here is in an example find the first order partial derivative, means we have to need to find out the dabba f by dabba x and then dabba f by dabba y. So we may write down here differentiating equation 1 with respect to x. So at that time partially treating the y is a constant. So we get, so see here dabba f by dabba x which is equal to. So y is a constant, so y keep as it is. X square derivative is a 2x plus sine. This sine is a depends on this two variable x plus y. So it is differentiate with respect to the x. So sine of x plus y's derivative is a cos of x plus y. And again we have to find out the derivative of this term with respect to the x. But dabba by dabba x of x plus y which is equal to, so x derivative is a 1, y's derivative is a 0. After simplification we get the y's value is a 1. So we put the dabba by dabba x of x plus y's value is a 1 here. So 1 into this term is write down as it is. So this is our dabba f by dabba x. Next, similar manner we have to differentiating equation 1 with respect to the y. So at that time partially creating the x is a constant. So we get, so this function we differentiate with respect to the y. So we write down dabba f by dabba y which is equal to, so at that time the x square is a constant. Y's derivative with respect to y is a 1. So no need to write down here. 1 into x square is only x square. Plus again sine of x plus y's derivative with respect to y is a cos of x plus y. And again derivative of d by dx of x plus y is. So again we have to know that when we have to differentiate with respect to the y, at that time the x is a constant. So constant derivative is a 1, y's derivative is a constant derivative is a 0 and y's derivative is a 1. So now we have to put that values here 1 into this one. We get x square plus cos of x plus y. So in this manner, in the first example, we get the dabba f by dabba x which is equal to 2xy plus cos of x plus y, and dabba f by dabba y which is equal to x square plus cos of x plus y. Now is in a second example, f of x comma y which is equal to log of x plus cos y. We represent this as equation number 1. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to the x, partially treating the y is a constant. So we get as a dabba f by dabba x which is equal to, so we know that the log x derivative is 1 by x. So here the log of this term, so its derivative is 1 divided by x plus cos y, and then d by dx of this term. We write down this one term. But this derivative become with respect to the x, the x derivative with respect to x is a 1 cos y is a constant, so cos y is a constant, so cos y's derivative becomes 0. So 1 plus 0 is a 1. So we, this derivative represent as a value is a 1. So 1 into this term we get as it is. So this is the represent as our dabba f by dabba x. Is in a similar manner that function f is a differentiate with respect to the y, at that time x treating as a constant. So we write down here the dabba f by dabba y. Log of x plus cos y's derivative is a 1 upon x plus cos y. Again dabba by dabba y of x plus cos y. The first term suppose we have to write down as it is. This dabba by dabba y of x plus cos y, at that time x is a constant, so its derivative is a 0. Cos y's derivative is a minus sin y. We simplify it, we get as a minus sin y. So this derivative is replaced as a minus sin y. So we simplify it, we get as a minus sin y divided by x plus cos y. So in this manner, we have to find out the first order partial derivatives of the given function. So now we have to stop here. Thank you.